traders, I'm back here. So I am just going down my list of forex pairs, and the next one on my list is Euro AUD. So we're going to start at September, and I'm picking September because then I don't have to scroll through my daily chart, so I can see all the data on one chart. Okay, so remember there's only two trade types I'm looking for. Trade type 1 is if I have a zone on the hourly that happens to fit inside of a weekly zone or a daily zone, but it has to be a fresh zone here. Or if I have an L24 inside of a zone. Now if I have both, then I want to go with the L24. Okay, so here I have an L24 trade. It'll be at 47. I'm using a 20 pip stop, 67, and then I re-enter. So 67 to 87. So there's two losses. So mark them up. Remember, I'm using a 20 pip stop and a 100 pip target. Okay, let's keep going here. Alright, so I have an L24 here. So I have a trade here at 47. Right there. 47 to 67. And then I'd re-enter at 67. And then it gets to 70 and then stopped. Ooh, that's too bad. Okay, two more losses there, so there's four losses. Okay, I'd have another trade here at 20. There's my entry at 20, stop at 40. I'd have a re-entry at 40, stop at 60. Looking for 48.40. There it is. Alright, so there's one win. Okay, now after I have a win, I have to have a reset, which is a close above a red zone and a green zone. Okay, there's a close above the red, and there's my green. Alright, here's a trade because I got a red inside of a red both on the daily and weekly. So I'd be short here at 83. And there's target. There's another winner. So two winners. Okay, we got my reset. Alright, here's another trade because I'm inside of the weekly and I got the L24. So I'll be in at 14. And target hit. There's another winner. Okay, got my reset. Okay, here's a red zone inside of a weekly red. So there's two losses here. 1 and 2. Now I've got an L24 right here. So I'd be in at 29. 49 would be my stop. Then I'd re-enter at 49 to 69. So there's two more losses. Be looking for a trade right here at 50. There's the entry. Looking for 49.50. And we got it right there. Okay, there's a winner. Okay, got my reset. Now I would take a long right here. Now I'm out of the weekly zone. I'd take a long right here at 91. Never sets up. Okay, is this within 2 pips? 99. Oh, 3 pips, so no trade there. Okay, I'd have a trade here. Short 49. 69 is my stop. Okay, 2 stops there, so there's 2 more losses. I'd have a trade right here. 83. Okay, be short right there at 83. They take me out right there at 03, and I'd re-enter again. And target hit. So I got 1 loss and 1 win. I'd have a trade right here. Never sets up. Okay, I'd have a trade right here. So entry 44 to 64 to 84. There's two more stops. Could have a trade here. 44 to 64 to 84. Two more stops there. Okay, I've got a long right here. 23. So 56.23 to 57.23. Target hit, so there's a winner. And then I would not take one here because I need a reset. Okay, how close is this one? 5. That says no trade there. Okay, looks like I'd have a trade right here. 57. Alright, so 57. There's a stop at 37, so then 37. Down to 17, so there's two losses there. And that's it. Alright, let's count them up. So I've got 20 losses. And 7 wins. Okay, so if we're doing the math again, guys, I think the numbers are identical to last night. So remember, each loss is a 1R. Each win is a 5R. Each win is worth 100 pips. So if I have 7 wins times 5 is 35 R's total. Okay? Then I need to take that out of the 20R that I have in stops. So that leaves me with 15 net winning trades. Or I'm sorry, 15 R's. That makes sense, guys? So think about it this way. Let's do a spreadsheet here so you can see it. Let's just do a new sheet. So if I know that my losses are worth 20, my wins are worth 100. If I have, on this specific example, I have losses of 20, wins of 7. So we can do some quick math here. So we're going to take this times this. That's going to give us our number of pips. So we have 400 pips in losses. And then we're going to take this times it's going to be 700. So I guess I did that math wrong, didn't I? Well, that's kind of embarrassing because I did that last night too. Oh well. All right. So that would give me a net of 300. Wow, that is I cannot believe how far off I was. If I said, does that make sense? And you guys are all sitting there scratching your head thinking, no, you're right. So clearly, this is 300. I don't need to do that math, but clearly this is 300 pips. So I have a net gain of 300 pips. So that would, and that's in this specific pair, which is basically averaging 100 pips a month. So then the pair we did last night would also be 300 pips. So between two pairs, you're really building up some profit. So that gives you a total of about 200 pips a month. And guys, while that's not that impressive, if you can do that consistently and you can just add in more pairs, you're making some good money. All right, gang, I will catch you tomorrow.